Branding and Marketing in Healthcare Industry. Complete course. Business Positioning and Branding. Positioning helps establish your service's identity within the eyes of the purchaser. Business positioning is one of the fundamental elements of branding. Positioning is a brand's unique way of providing value to its customers. Two types of branding is commonly seen. 1. Personal branding. This is branding of an individual person. Example, branding of a doctor. 2. Business branding. This is branding of business. Example, branding of clinic name or hospital name, etc. Business positioning strategy is affected by a number of variables related to targeted customer. Financially, for example, you can do positioning of your business like get best treatment at reasonable price, by which you are giving a message to your customer that you will provide your best treatment at a reasonable cost. As earlier I discussed, open clinic based on your actual targeted customer social status. If your targeted customer has health awareness and education, then will notice how you maintain hygiene. Patient might know about different treatment. They may demand service and you should provide those service demand. For example, if you provide all kinds of service, then you can do positioning your business like all kind of treatment can be done here. Branding helps to create your recall value and shows your business position value. For example, see how Coca-Cola doing his branding. They are saying Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. If you're running a dental clinic and if you can do proper branding, then in your locality if anyone is getting dental problems, then at first he will think about your business. You should create your business brand promise. Branding is the process of creating a strong, positive perception of a business, its product or services to the customer's mind. Brand promise gives some predictability of service in the customer's mind, which helps to create business recall value and it gives repeated customers. Example, business model Oyo Hotel. The customer can predict they will get neat and clean room, they will get AC in their room, they will get free Wi-Fi all in reasonable cost. So the customer, when he will think about a hotel, first name will come in his mind is Oyo Hotel. It helps them to get their repeated customers. So create your business as a brand, which may help you to get more customers. Why branding is important for any business? Branding is important because it not only makes your business memorable impression on consumers' mind, it allows your customers to know what to expect from your business. It is a way of distinguishing yourself from the competitors and it clarifying what you offer and what making you the better choice. It's simply the shorthand statement of who you are and what you can do for someone. Your brand is built to be a true representation of who you are as a business and how you wish to be perceived. Marketing and sales are different things. Marketing enhances the brand or business recall value, which may help to increases the sales. Sales increases the revenue. How to do the marketing? Starting a clinic is not enough. Follow some strategy to get more patient in your clinic. Every day so many people are searching service providers' informations. You should show your existence to everyone. It may helps to build your brand. There are different types of marketing strategy used in healthcare industry. It's traditional marketing, offline marketing and online marketing to promote their services. We will discuss all the topics and effectiveness. Niche marketing. It is focused on defined targeted customers. If you use it properly, it shows very effective results, and some competitions with other business are eliminated. For example, implant clinic, smile designing, orthodontic clinic, etc. Undercover marketing. It is generating curiosity and excitement to some service. Cross promotion. Outbound marketing, where you are saying about your business by using different marketing strategies. And inbound marketing, where you pull the customers by following some technique. Next topic. What are the marketing techniques used in healthcare industry? Traditional marketing. It's marketing via glow shine board, banner, poster, leaflets, etc. Online marketing. This is the marketing by using the internet. Example. Create your business website or web page. Enlist in local business web page. Enlist in map. SEO, Google Ads. Social media marketing. YouTube videos, blogging, etc. Other common marketing is offline marketing. Example. Ads in TV, radio, ads in newspaper, camps, referral, agents, etc. Many doctors know how to treat a patient, but they don't know how to promote their service or business. I will discuss which marketing technique I used and what is the results. Learn about healthcare marketing funnel. Know how to attract patients, explore and engage to get a lead. Know how convert this leads to customer or your patient. This is marketing funnel, so many people used in healthcare industry. Became a doctor. You know how to treat a patient but you don't know how to open a clinic. Business positioning, branding, patient management, how to promote your business and how to get succeed. I will discuss on this following topics. Learn this and implement it properly, by which guaranteed you will get succeed in your profession. Experienced dentist shared his experience, and it's specially made for dentist. When you start your clinic, then you should know the market of the locality. One of the fundamental concepts of marketing is to understand the needs, wants, and demands of your locality. To understand it in simple way. Needs is any service or treatment requirements. For example, if patient has a caries tooth, so there is needs of treatment. If he know that he has a caries tooth, then he wants to get treatment. So want is desired to fulfill his needs. For example, he want to get treatment of caries tooth. Demand. If anyone can afford his desire, then transforming his wants into demands. For example, he can financially afford, and he has time to get treatment. Then it will come demand. Now you see how and when the need is converting into demand. If there is a need of service or treatment, but lack of health awareness and knowledge, then the people, they don't know that there is a need. He don't know that he has to take a service or treatment. So there will be no demand of service. On other side, if he has health awareness and knowledge, then he will know he has a disease. Then he will know that he need to take service. Then if he want, then he will demand service. We noticed about 60% of patients don't know that they has to take treatment, which cause lack of demand and they are not getting treatment. Conclusion: educate people about their health condition and treatment options to bring health awareness. It increases the demand for your service. So whenever any patients visit to your clinic, educate them about health conditions and the treatment options. Health awareness and knowledge plays a very important role to create proper demand. Example: diabetics can negatively affect on eye, kidney, liver, etc. Earlier so many people, they used to neglect it. When they know it, because of health awareness and knowledge, then they are properly taking care. Regularly they are getting checkup and they are taking medicine. Now see how health education and health awareness impacted in daily medical practice. Example 1. If everyone will know that dental caries, gum disease, and poor oral hygiene etc. can cause or aggravate multiple general disease like cardiac, stroke, diabetics, gastrointestinal problems, cancer etc., then they will give importance to oral health. It will create demand of service and they will get treatment. They will visit dentist for regular checkup, regular scaling, tooth restoration, extraction, and missing tooth replacement. Example 2. Tooth sensitivity. It is not a disease. These are symptoms of any disease. It commonly caused for caries, tooth attrition, erosion, and abrasion. Gum disease. If there is tooth sensitivity, few people are not getting proper treatment, and few people are using sensitivity toothpaste after seeing commercial advertisement and they are getting temporary relief. Later, if it is creating problem, then they will visit dentist, extract the tooth. On other side, if they know properly, then he might get necessary treatment based on disease. They get scaling, filling, RCT etc. For the past few years, www.medihelp365.com and our associates trying to educate people to bring health awareness. We are inviting everyone to join us and work with us. Now we will move on to our next topic. Where to open the clinic? Try to open the clinic in crowded place. Choose the place where you can run clinic for long period. As a doctor, it takes little time and effort to get fame. If you need to shift your clinic after getting fame, then it will be big loss for you. If health awareness in the locality is good, then you can get more patients. If financial condition in the locality is good, then they pay you for treatment. Check what service you want to provide. Is there any demand in the locality? If there is lack of health awareness, if their financial condition is not good, and if there is demand of service and lack of service provider, then you can find their doctor without medical degree and registration. You can find their malpractice and they treat patient at very low cost. If you practice there, then you have to bring health awareness to get succeed. Moving to our next topic. How will be your clinic? When you start your clinic, then you should fulfill and obey the government guidelines. Know the locality. Set up the clinic based on your targeted consumer and what service or treatment you will provide. Know the social status of your consumer or your business locality. That means if your targeted customer belongs to high status, then they commonly prefer to visit hi-fi setup clinic. Set up clinic based on service demand. Financial condition in locality. If your targeted customer's financial condition is not good, then commonly they get scared to visit hi-fi clinic. They think they can't afford the treatment cost. Now we will move to our next topic. EAT course at ₹499. Learn and know the experience of working dentist. It's about 100 minutes total complete video course. In that we will discuss about what are the marketing technique used in healthcare industry, how you do your branding, how you can implement marketing strategy to get more patient sales, how to get more patient referrals, patient's behavior, how to manage patient retention, how to increase the revenue and key points to succeed, what will be the cost of treatment, how much will be your expenses, how we may help you to grow your business, etc. If you want to take this complete course, then register your name now. Seats is limited. Call 9432580313 or email at doctor@medihelp365.com. This course is organized by largely growing medical platform www MediHelp365.com. If you are interested, register your name now.